Ito po yung betel nut, o bunga. At ito po yung aking seedlings ng betel nut. I actually propagated this last year sapagkat ginagamit namin yung bunga as the source of natural dewormers. Yung bunga ng bunga na bata pa, yung mura, we divide it into 4 parts for older chicken and 8 parts for smaller chicken, and it's proving to be a very effective natural dewormer. So ito po, meron akong mahigit 200. Hindi ko naman kayang itanim lahat to, kaya pag merong interesado, you could just get in touch with us. We could actually send you this through pwede siguro itong LBC, binabalot na sa karton. I think every backyard chicken farmer should have this. Dapat meron kayong 1 o 2 puno nito sapagkat napakalaking bagay po. Can you imagine yung synthetic dewormer ngayon ay 5, 6, 7 pesos per piece. So if you have 1,000 chicken, that's 7,000 every time you deworm. Ito, pag namunga, ang dami. Kukuha ka lang, kunin mo lang yung mura, yung bata pa, and then yung malambot na bunga, hahatiin mo into 4 parts for the big chicken and 8 parts for the small chicken. Natural dewormer. So if you need this, just send us a message and we'll get back to you.